last breath of summer is blowing down our necks, and soon we'll wave goodbye to the fleeting bliss, because you are like a tidal wave was ripping up my life, not living without a trace. And you know that I'm your silent patient. You know I'm your silent patient. I've been waiting as long as
살아가지고 아무래도
의견을 내기도 했는데 평론가님 어떻게 생각하십니까?
일단 제가
I don't wanna stop it, but I know my mind ain't even close to where my heart is. I should let go, I should be open, but troubled waters deep, yeah, deep like an ocean. Swimming in your ocean.